Okay, hello guys. So I'm back. Played some golf. Took 3 trades today. MIOV, that was not a good trade. KRTX, that was kind of like a test trade. I mean, I don't normally trade that strategy, but I'm kind of familiar with how it looks. I don't really know how it feels though, if that makes sense. And then KSS. So let's get to it. First was KSS. First trade I had was a loser. So we had, let me bring up the pen. So first trade, the open was just so weak, and I had a Rising Devil with this level being my stop. I didn't have a limit order, and this like flashed. You never saw the candle up there. It just flashed and then dropped back down. So couldn't get filled in here. This came up, got rejected again, so I took it short for the break of this pre-market. Stop was above 49.82, which is this daily level we have marked out here. And I just didn't like how it was trading. It couldn't break below the pre-market low, so I just exited my whole position, maybe like a half hour, a little bit less than a half hour. And then I traded MYOV, which this trade was bad. Bad trade here. I was pretty much just looking at the level 2 and time and sales to see when I would enter, and my entry is on a new, when we make a new 1 minute high off these candles, because they tested the level, so that's what I want to see. I want to see those candles get broken, not this one. This one never tested the level. At least that's how I kind of think about it in my head. And I just took it early. Bad trade, stopped me out 1 hour. Any of these entries would have been great. Hammer, elevated volume off a daily level. Hammer, elevated volume off the pre-market level, pre-market high. And then I think they made one more good entry signal, but I was just in another trade, so I couldn't. Yep, one more right here. Another hammer, not as prominent as the others, but you could still take this trade and put your stop under that. It just offered so many options, and you're looking to, fill the gap on the daily. Which, let's see here. We definitely did, yeah. 1693, which is what you're looking to fill. But we got there. I mean, if you took the trade in the right place, like I should have, I saw it, but I don't like to take 2 trades at once. I just never took it, but it was definitely a $3.50 move if you took it correctly. So the break of this candle, you could have got in there. You could have risked $1 and you got 3 or 4 to 1. It's too bad, but I just didn't take it. And then KSS short. Actually, I'll go to my KRTX. So obviously, I want to short this. I don't trade. This isn't a strategy I'm super familiar with, but yesterday we're up 300% on good news. After hours, they announced a secondary offering, so they're bumping the shares up and then offering a secondary, and then announcing a secondary offering. It happens all the time, penny stock world. But I usually never have shares to short, but today I did have shares to short. So I thought, okay, let me take, once it seems like it's sold off, let's try to take it to the short side. And we came up, reject off the daily level, came up, rejected VWAP, and I took it short right here. Stop up above VWAP, and came back, stopped me out. And then it stopped me out, and it dumped to here, and I thought, is it going to sell off? That sucks, but ended up holding and trading way higher. Up to around 135, or, oh wow, it made it all the way 150 today. It made it to 152 today. That thing is crazy, look at that. Alright, and last trade was KSS to the short side, which this trade was good. I don't have a problem with any of these trades on this. So this is my previous trade here. Forget about that one. So we test VWAP for a bit. Can't hold it. We lose this level. I take it short. Stop up above those bodies. We come down. We test the moving averages, and we start selling off again. I add in. Get in a little bit bigger. New stop is above here. So I'm risking maybe a half hour now, and I have a bigger position. 2 to 1, 3 to 1. And we come up, we test the level, daily level. Hesitant, we're holding. I add in a little bit. Now my break even's up here. And then once I see this rejection after we moved up, I add in one more time, and my stop was above here, and my break even was up here. So even if I stopped out, I would have made a couple dollars. I'm really not sure how it plays out. I wasn't here. Where are we? Oh, I see. Oh, we did end up trading decent amount lower. So yeah, I would have got stopped out. Regardless, but we do end up trading down to about 147. But I got all out here. I had to go. I had to leave my house. And I didn't really feel super comfortable putting in a range order. For the reason being, so when I exited here, I ended the day like plus 0.2 R, so I'm just hardly positive. And if I put in a range order, I would have been at a loss where it would have stopped me out for the day. So I'd rather just end the day green, as minimal as it is, and be happy with that. So 0.2 R winner on the day. One test trade and one bad trade, and then KSS were 2 good trades, or one good trade, one alright trade. But yeah, I'm for the most part happy with the day. So thank you guys. Hope you had a good day. See you later.